Ray with MarineMax Sarasota. Today we'd like to show you Boston Whaler's newest edition, 350 Realm. What a great boat. You look at it, you're going to say, wow, this is a beautiful boat. If you spent 20 minutes on it, you're going to love this boat. Come on aboard, let me show you some of the great features. So the 350 Realm has got tremendous features. Here's our solenoid switches for turning on the engine house batteries, all right here, easy to use. As we go aft, you've got a beautiful, beautiful pull-out seating for your guests. Very comfortable seat, perfect for your guests. Lots and lots of room. 15-gallon live well right here for when we want to fish. Blue backed with red lighting inside. You got a raw water, freshwater wash. You have a freshwater flush system here. This flushes your engines out with one touch. 5 minutes each engine. Beautiful, beautiful feature. Of course, you got sprayers all around. Fresh water off the freshwater tank. Take showers, get the salt water off you. Boarding area here. You saw the docking boarding area when we get on the boat. Shore power connections here. Fresh water right here. Look at this feature. Facing aft, beautiful. You've got a 30-gallon freezer tank. This is a cooler tank. There's refrigerator coils underneath the insulated cabin here. Allow you to keep drinks cold, ice, what have you, all right here in the boat. With an easy access right here as well into the same compartment. Really, really nice feature. Makes it convenient for entertainment. Electric grill, beautiful. Push down, stows away, very clean. Storage here, really, really nice boat. As we go forward, the helm station has a walkthrough with a nice step here. Makes it easy for us to operate the boat up high. Of course, as I mentioned, it's joystick piloting boat. Features skyhook. In fact, the skyhook is operating right now, holding us in spot while we're talking about the boat. Engines independently of each other keep us stationed within about 4 or 6 foot box, utilizing the GPS mushroom up on the hardtop. Of course, with the joystick piloting, you also have a bundled autopilot. Very convenient for running the boat. You can drive the boat with the joystick anywhere you need to go. You got storage here. You got 3 seats here for people to come visit with the captain. Look at this feature. Wow, isn't that something? I mean, that's really comfortable. You got air conditioning here, so we have air conditioning in the cockpit and in the cabin, which I'm going to show you in a minute. Club seating here. Great, great social area. Of course, right above me, a sure shade. Electrically operated. Comes to the back to give us shade during a sunny day, give us out of the sun a little bit. Again, great entertaining feature for while you have friends out on the water enjoying our fine Sarasota days. Of course, up in the bow, look at this. This is what's really innovative about this boat. Where we normally have a foredeck or just an open bow, this is comfortable three wide seating, armrests that stow, drink holders in there, remote for the stereo. We got a teak table here. Rises up cocktail height, but then it also drops down. Electrically operated. Just on to extend our sun pad. Beautiful, beautiful feature. Can't you just imagine being on this boat, sitting here with your friends, hanging out and going, wow, life is good. Well, it is good if you got this Boston Whaler. That's really nice. We got, of course, a stainless steel anchor with a windlass, 300 feet of line. Here's the kicker. We got a cabin. Air conditioned fully. Now you have a place to stay overnight. You find a place you like to go visit. Full cabin, lighting, everything you need. Lots and lots of room. Vacuum flush head, of course. And then the final piece. As if there wasn't enough features in here already, I'm driving the boat now with the joystick. Just moving around. avoiding some traffic out here in the bay. The final kicker, this boat, this 350 realm, it comes with a gyro stabilizer. The Seakeeper 3, take a look. We got our gas generator here, and here's our Seakeeper 3 right here. It's going to translate the roll motion into up and down. Makes it real easy on a day where you have a few waves to make a day on the water as comfortable as possible for everyone on board. If you'd like to learn more about this boat, other whalers, our line of Sea Ray boats, Azimut or Galeon, please reach out for us. Matthew Ray at MarineMax Sarasota. Come down and see us.